Every day, the sound of crying can be heard from this wall. However, there are no cracks in the wall, and there is a cafe next to it. It seems impossible for anything to be behind it. The restaurant owner says the sounds have been continuing for 10 days. Later, the man takes the authorities to the cafe next door, and they lightly tap on the wall. At that very moment, the crying sound immediately begins. Wanting to find out the truth, the authorities call in an expert. The expert suggests that an animal might be trapped inside the wall and that the sounds are weak and exhausted. The expert climbs up to the roof and finds a small gap. He assumes the animal, being small, must have fallen through that gap. To investigate further, he makes a hole in the wall. When they look through it, they see a pair of eyes. Sure enough, a kitten is found trapped between the walls. The kitten tries to climb out, but the walls are too slippery and it keeps falling back down. Meanwhile, a large cat appears on the roof, wandering anxiously and calling out. This large cat is the mother of the trapped kitten. The next morning, the experts call a rescue team and begin preparations to demolish the wall. However, when they arrive, they discover that the kitten has disappeared. Perhaps the kitten somehow managed to escape.